Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we want to have another review of the concepts that we have covered so far. So let's get started. The first question is, what is a variable? So a variable is a location in memory where a value can be stored for use by a program. And that's basically what a variable is. A place of storage inside the memory of the computer. The second question is what type of values we can store in integer type variable. The integer type variable holds whole number integer values, and whole number values include positive and negative numbers. What is the most important requirement for a variable? Well, the most important thing for a variable is that all variables must be defined with a name and a type before they can be used in a program. So the declaration of a variable is very important before it's used. The declaration of a variable. So the next question is, what is identifier? So the next question is, what is an identifier? An identifier is a variable name in C, is a valid variable name in C. An identifier can have a series of characters consisting of letters, digits, and underscore that does not begin with a digit, and all of these combinations can be used as an identifier and in the names for variables or functions or other type of functionalities in C language. So the next question is C case sensitive? Yes, C is a case sensitive language. That means that, for example, an identifier, my number, is not the same as this other identifier with my number, because the case even with one character is different. So C will treat these two identifiers as different identifiers. So what is scanf used for? The function scanf gets input from the standard input, which is usually the keyboard, and that's what it's used for. The seventh question is, what is address operator? The address operator in C is the ampersand sign, and it's usually combined with a variable name. And the combination will tell the scanf the variable's memory location, so scanf or the computer then uses to store the value at that location. The next question is, what is assignment operator? What usually happens in assignment operators? Assignment operator is used when you try to assign a value to a variable. And what usually happens in assignment operator statements is that most calculations are performed in assignment statements. And finally, what is a binary operator? A binary operator is like equal or addition or subtraction. Any operation that has two operands, one on one side, one on another side, that is called a binary operator. And that's it for this episode. See you in the next episode.